Did you know that every time you make $1,000 trading crypto, there's money quietly evaporating from your pocket? I'm talking about trading fees. These fees snowball, especially if you scalp or trade high volume. If all your profit goes to fees, you're just running in place. But the top 1% of traders know how to slash those fees down to almost zero or even turn them into pure profit. We're about to uncover all the hidden advantages of the crypto exchange referral system that most people miss entirely. This is the profit optimizing strategy that puts you one step ahead of everyone else. Master it in the next 3 minutes. The first and most powerful advantage is permanent fee discounts. Most exchanges hold back their highest level fee reductions, the kind they never offer to regular signups. They unlock them exclusively through a referral link. Just one signup dramatically reduces the cost of every single trade you make, forever. This is like locking in profits before you even place your first trade. If you are a high-frequency scalper placing dozens of positions a day, those cumulative discounts could turn into thousands of dollars of extra capital every month. Cutting fees isn't optional, it's survival. That small difference creates massive compounding effects over the long term. The second advantage is exclusive sign-up perks and bonuses. You absolutely cannot get these by signing up the normal way. We're talking about new user funding, mission bonuses, or even free airdrops. And the opportunities explode when you use a referral code. Some exchanges will hand out a bonus based on a percentage of your first deposit, and others offer vouchers you can use like cash after hitting a certain volume. For those short on starting capital, these bonuses are a huge head start. You can even use this bonus money to test new strategies completely risk-free. Why are you ignoring this free money that exchanges are practically throwing at you? Referrals aren't just discounts, they are opportunities to multiply your starting capital. The final point goes beyond saving money and turns into a profit opportunity. This is the extra passive income you earn when you become a partner and share this information with your friends or community. When someone gets a fee discount using your shared info, the exchange sends you a reward as a thank you. This is not a structure that transfers loss to anyone else. It is a perfect win-win system where everyone benefits. You share valuable information and, in return, build up additional passive income. This reward keeps stacking up even while you sleep. A smart investor would never miss out on this opportunity. Take a look at your current trading setup right now and maximize your profits. This information, which costs you money if you ignore it, will completely change your trading habits.